In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Lucidchart diagram. Whether you're working on collaborative projects or refining your own diagram, knowing how to create a duplicate is an invaluable skill. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can seamlessly replicate your diagrams in Lucidchart. To begin, you'll want to make sure you navigate to the Lucidchart website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, usually located at the top right of your screen. Click on Log In to proceed. If you already have an account, you can use your credentials to access it. Alternatively, Lucidchart offers a quick sign-in process through Google, which can save time. Simply click on Sign Up with Google to proceed if that's your preferred method. After selecting your preferred login method, you'll arrive at the Google Account Chooser page. Here, you'll need to select the account you wish to use with Lucidchart. Choose your account and you'll be directed to your Lucidchart dashboard where all of your documents are housed. From this dashboard, you can open the specific diagram you wish to copy. Locate your diagram and click on it to open. This should put you in the editing mode where you can make live changes to your document. Once your diagram is open, you'll want to locate the File option within your diagram editor. Typically, this is found in the top menu bar, offering a range of document management options. Click on File and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, find and click on Make a Copy. This action is essential as it duplicates your existing diagram, allowing you to edit the copy without altering the original. After clicking on Make a Copy, a dialog box will pop up, confirming your action. Here, you'll simply need to click on OK to finalize the process. The copied diagram will load up as a separate document. You'll now have full freedom to edit it as you need, independent of the original diagram. Creating copies of diagrams in Lucidchart is straightforward yet essential, especially when working across different teams or wanting to test out new ideas without affecting existing work. Being familiar with this process will aid in maintaining clarity and organization within your projects, providing multiple versions for review and comparison. With this skill, you're equipped to handle your diagramming needs more efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to explore other functionalities in Lucidchart to make the most out of your projects.